Hi students, so today we are going to discuss about the other topic which we already discussed. This concept we learned in the previous session, so you have to guess the topic. Okay, so the distance between earth to moon, the distance between earth to moon, the distance between earth to sun, and very large numbers can be expressed in the form of yes, you are right, yes, standard form or scientific notation by using what you will, yes, you are right, by using exponents and powers, so what exactly this exponent and power? So what is that? What is exponents and powers? We already learned this concept in class 7th. Little more we are going to learn apart from that. So which we already discussed in class 7th. Apart from that, little more we are going to learn in this class. So just we see the word introduction part of this. See, 2 power. So what is the topic we are going to discuss? You already said the point, that is exponents and powers. What is the chapter name? Exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. This is the chapter name, exponents and powers. Now in this, so 2 is how many times we are getting here? I wrote here 2. How many times? 1 time. Now 2 into 2. How many times? 2 times. Now 2 into 2 into 2. It is how many times? 3 times. What is 3 times? 2 is multiplied 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. Then 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. This is 10. How many times it is repeating? 4 times it is repeating. What is repeating? 10 is multiplied 4 times itself. 10 multiplied itself 4 times. So 2 multiplied itself 3 times. 2 multiplied itself 2 times. Next, 10 multiplied. Suppose here 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. How many times it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is multiplied itself 6 times it is. Observe it. These are all 2 times, 3 times. The 2 is repeated, multiplied itself 3 times. 10 is multiplied itself 4 times. So here 10 is the increasing 2. How many times? 3 times. It is rising, increasing, rising. So we write as this one as 2 to the power 1 and this as, see here, this concept already we learned. 2 power, because it is rising, 2 rise to the power 2, 2 power 3, 2 rise to the power 3, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 6. So in all this, 10 power 6, 10 power 4, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, in all this, we have the specific terms in this 2. This is called base. What do you call? Base. And what do you call here? Exponent. Exponent, or you can say power. Exponent or power. In this also, this is exponent. What is this? Exponent or power, and this is as base. What is this? Base. Now you see in this, what do you call this? 4 you call it as, and 10 what do you call? Yes, can you say? 10 is power or exponent. Sorry, the 4 is called power or exponent. 10 is the base. What do you call? Base. Here what is the base and what is the power? This is exponent. You can say either exponent or power, and this is the base. So how to read these all? 10 raised to the power 6. How to read? 10 raised to the power 6. You look at this. 10 power 6. So 10 power 6 How to read as 10 raised to the power 6. 10 raised to the power 6. And here 10 raised to the power 4. 2 raised to the power 3. 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 1. 2 cube. In our this thing 2 to the power 1. Because it is twice. If it is twice repeating, we learned 2 square and this is 2 cube. Then 10 to the power 4. 10 to the power 6. So in this 10 is the base and 4 is the power or exponent. Here 2 is the base, 3 is the exponent. Here 2 is the base, 2 is the exponent. Here 10 is the base and 6 is the exponent. So to express the large numbers, very large numbers, we use to express for our convenient, we use exponents and powers. So this concept we learned in class 7th, what is exactly power, what is exactly base, and even we have learned in class 7th about some rules that are called the laws of exponents. What do you call? Laws of exponents. So apart from the laws of exponents, in this session we are going to discuss about the negative powers. What is negative powers? Here you have only positive. You see the powers? We have only positive powers. So all these powers are positive. Exponents are positive. But in this session, even we are going to learn about the negative powers along with the revision of previous knowledge, that is the laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. You already discussed these concepts in class 7, and negative powers which we are going to, that is the new concept in this class 8 you will be learning. So let us see what exactly these laws of exponents. So powers with negative exponents. Powers with negative exponents. What are that? Powers with negative exponents. See here, you have to understand very carefully, listen carefully and observe the board what I am doing. 10 to the power 2. That meaning is what? 10 to the power 2 means 10 into 10, which is equal to 100, and that can be written as 10 into 10. That can be written as 10 into 10. So 10 square is equals to 10 into 10, which is equal to 100. Now 10 power 1, which is equal to, observe it, power is decreasing. 10 power 2 I took, here 10 power 1. That means 10 is only one time, the value is also 10. Now 10 to the power 0, 2, 1, 0, 10 to the power 0. As we learned in the previous session, anything power 0 is equal to 1. Anything power 0 is equal to 1. So this is 1. 10 power 0 is equal to 1, which can be written as 10 by 10. Which can be written as 10 by 10. And here you see 100. This can be written as 100 by 10. 100 by 10. As when your powers are decreasing, the value of it is decreased by 1/10. Value of each one is decreased by 1/10. It is decreased by 1/10. Means we are dividing when power is decreasing, we are reducing the value, it is reduced by 1/10. 1/10 means 1 by 10 or divided by 10. 1/10, it is divided by 10. Now, when it comes to the next part, 2, 1, 0, 10 to the power minus 1, if you take, what I said, here what you have, 10, this how you got 10, 100 divided by, the previous value is 100, 100 divided by 10, and here, 10 was there, previous value, again 10 divided by 10, what is the previous value here, 1. 1 by 10. The value is decreasing by 1 by 10th. How many times the power? 1 time. How many times the power? 1 time. Now 10 to the power minus 2. Now the value, how we are getting this one? 1 by 10th. Here I am dividing 1 divided by 10. How do you write 1 divided by 10? 1 by 10th. Next 10 power minus 2. You see here. How we are writing 10 power minus 2? So this, to get this 10 power minus 2, what I am doing, you see here 1 by 10, 1 divided by 10th. So similarly now, actually this value should be divided by 1 by 10 should be divided by 10. Then we know, we learned in the previous class in the fractions, division of fractions, you have to take the reciprocal. You have to take the reciprocal. So 1 by 10 into what is the reciprocal of 10? Again 1 by 10, which will be coming 1 into 1, 1. 10 tens are 100, which is nothing but 10 power 2. 10 to the power 2. You see in all these places, 10 power minus 1, which is equals to 1 by 10 power 1. 10 power minus 2, which can be written as 1 by 10 power 2, which can be written as 1 by 10 power minus 2. Now you observe this one more example. Here if you take 3 cube. What is this? 3 cube. That means 3 into 3 into 3 is equals to 27. Now 3 square. If I take 3 square, 3 into 3. What is the value actually? It is 9. But how many times it is decreased? 1, 3 is, see here 3 times, and here 3, 2 times. That means the value is decreased 1/3. 1/3 of 27. That means 27 divided by 3 or 27 by 3 you can write this one. Divided by is nothing but by. So 27 by 3 we divided. Now 3 to the power 1. 3 to the power 1 means 3. What is the value actually? From here to here it is decreased. So here you can write as 9 by 3. 9 divided by 3, you get the answer as 3. That is 3 power 1. Now 3 to the power 0, which is nothing but 1, we learned how it is. Again 3 divided by 3. Observe it. 3 divided by 3. Now this 3 divided by 3, when it comes to the negative part, 3 power minus 1. 3 power minus 1. Now what you are taking? 1. Observe it. 1 by 3. How you are getting this 1 by 3? This 1 is divided by 3, which is nothing but 1 by 3. Which is nothing but 1 by 3. Now 3 power minus 2. 3 power minus 2. This how you are getting? This 1 by 3 is divided by, because it is reducing, decreasing the value as 1/3. The value is decreasing 1/3. Here the value it is decreased 1/10. And here the value is decreased 1/3. So 1 by 3 divided by 3. 1 by 3 divided by 3, which you can write as 1 by 3. Reciprocal is into 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by 3 square. 1 by 3 square. So 3 to the power minus 2 can be written as 3 to the power 2. See the negative exponent when it comes, that we are able to express. We are able to express as 1 by 3 to the power 2. So when the value is decreased 1/3 or 1 by 10th, 1 by 2, okay, 1 by 5th, then the power, when you are expressing in the form of exponents, these negative powers are becoming positive when you are writing as 1 by. When you are writing as 1 by 3. 3 power minus 2 is 1 by 3 power 2. 1 by 3 power 2. So this concept we didn't discuss in the class 7. I hope you understood here. 3 power 3. 3 into 3 into 3. 27. 3 power 2. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Means that 27 is decreased 1/3 of 27. 1/3 means what? 27 divided by 3 or of 1 by 3. 3 ones are 3 nines are 27. So 27, 1/3 of 27 is 9. So 27 by 3 is equal to 9. One third of 9 is 3. One third of one third of 1 is one third of 1. Sorry, one third of 3. One third of 3 is 1. One third of 3 is 1. And one third of 1 is 1 by 3. Now one third of 1 by 3 is 1 third of 1 by 3 is 1 by 3 square, which is nothing but 1 by 9. And here also you see 10 power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 10 is divided by 10. So reciprocal of 10 is what? 1 by 10. So 1 by 1 into 1, 1, 10 into 10, 10 square. So 10 to the power minus 2, we are able to express 1 by 10 square. 3 power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3 square. This is the powers with negative exponents. Powers with negative exponents. Here you see negative exponents. Now we wrote as 1 by 10 power 2. So 10 power minus 2. We wrote as 1 by 10 power 2. Is it clear, children? If negative exponent comes, how to convert it into positive? What we are doing? 1 by. What we are doing? 1 by. Now with this, I hope you understood how to express. Next. Now you see, yes. Now you look at this part. Look at this part. You have to say the answer for this. Whatever the number, negative exponent if I give, you must be ready to say the answer. So no need to calculate like this. Directly you can say the answer. That is, look at this. As the value is decreasing, that's why we are writing as 1 by. Now tell me the answers for this. So here 3 to the power minus 5. Yes, who can say? Yes, you are right. What is the answer? 1 by 3 to the power 5. Very good answer. Next, this is 1. Next, second one you see 4 to the power minus 7. Yes, who is ready to say? Yes, correct. What is the answer? 1 by 4 to the power 7. What is the answer? 1 by 4 to the power 7. Now third one. 10 to the power minus 9. Who can say the answer? Who can say the answer? Yes, right? Tell me. 1 by 10 to the power 9. This is how we express the negative powers. 1 by. This became as positive. Now we are going to discuss this negative exponents. Even we can use, we can apply. Now here what can you say about minus 5? Is this a positive number or negative? Negative number. So when negative number comes, what type of numbers we learned when we are including the negative numbers? Yes, those are called integers. What do you call? Integers. Here this is integer. Here also integer. So when we are including the negative numbers, that concept comes under the integers. But it comes, where it comes, we learned already the topic. Positive numbers and negative numbers, whole numbers with negative numbers, those are called integers. So these are called integers. Now these integers, in class 7th we learned the laws of exponents only for positive powers. Only for positive powers. Now we are going to discuss even with those powers if it is negative, and we understood how to convert it into positive. How to convert it into positive. So for this we have a definition. Let us see that definition now. If 3 power minus 5 is there, 1 by 3 to the power 5. 4 power minus 7 is there, 1 by 4 power 7. 10 power minus 9 is there, 1 by 10 to the power 9. If, here one more example, if it is 100 to the power minus 10 is there, how to write? Yes, you are right. 1 by 100 to the power 10. 1 by 100 to the power 10. So for this a general rule is there to remember, like a formula. We have a general rule that we see now how to express in terms of the variables. In terms of the variables. Yeah, now we see powers with negative exponents. The general rule. In general, we can say that for any non-zero integer a, that a must be a non-zero integer. A to the power minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power m. Look at the board. A to the power minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power m, where m is a positive integer, comma, a to the power minus m is the multiplicative inverse of a to the power m. That means a to the power minus m is the multiplicative inverse of a to the power m. Observe it. A to the power